Hi friends, today we learn how to use the Canva to make a YouTube thumbnail. So simple, open the Canva in a browser. After Canva you can see this there is a YouTube can thumbnail. It can be on a fourth position or third position. This time it's the third position. Click on it. For example, you are making a video for the education purpose of a student and your channel is also for education or students. So we supposed today thumbnail for that educational channel. Wait a some seconds, it's just opening. So this is good for educational purpose channel because here is some student showing books or files, and here is also some triangle or circle. Here is also one other triangle and theta. Also students also they're written here. You can change the text here. There are three text boxes, so I change it. Double click on it, delete it, write your channel name here, resize it, Control Z, undo. Right here your video purpose, uh, how to learn. Change its color because all black colors are not looking good, so yellow color is most attractive. Right in the color here, it's a yellow, so you see text is now in yellow color. Change its sides and set it from picture, remove from picture. How to learn the basic math? You write it here is basic mathematics. Control A, select all, and I think so. This is good. Uh, Setting of text actually total your own desire. Total depend on your own willing. Change the places of text by keyboard arrow key. And by the okay, double click in the text box. Small the size so that it fit to the thumbnail. Okay, move this box to some, oh sorry, Control Z, undo, and here I do this for this triangle. It's just simple to make the thumbnail for YouTube video by using the Canva. So go to file menu, save it, and also download from the file menu. Here is a download. After downloading you see this, there's many formats, PNG and also JPG. Suggested is PNG, so it's good. It's 1280 multiplied by 720 pixel good resolution. Download it. You will see this downloading is start and done. On the left bottom corner of the laptop screen, use downloading and click here arrow and open when done. This is a beautiful thumbnail in a paint, good size. I zoom it, but you see this good quality of picture. So close it and use for your YouTube video as a thumbnail. Thank you.